Hi, welcome to the demo of Lab Assignment1 for the class Programming for Web, Cloud, Mobile Applications. So the assignment 1 is course registration application. So the problem is here we have to develop a web pages which gives the full information about the courses for a particular school. So the main aim of the problem is it provides the ability to the students to assess the course before registering to it. So the small description of the work is here we have to create the two web pages. One page accepts the information from the users and displays all the details for the selected inputs, and the other page is the registration page, so which allows the user to register for the particular course. So this entire application is developed using HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS and Bootstrap. Uh, this is the home page of the application. So this page contains three sections. First one is select the education. This drop down contains the coursework like bachelor's or master's. Then select the semester. It contains the three semester values: spring, fall and summer. The last one is the career options, which has two fields: computer science and law. When user selects all of these values and when clicks on the submit button, it displays all the information. If either of these inputs got missed, then it will show an error. Let's see, if I select the bachelor's and I selected the spring, but I haven't selected the career option, and when I try to get the information, it shows an error message saying that please select all the options. So when I select the computer science and submit button, it displays the particular bachelor's for spring semester for computer science. This is the course available right now. So this displays the instructor name and the course description and the prerequisite for doing this particular course, and the credit hours for this course, and the duration means the time from which the class hours. And so the rating for the course is 5, and the reviews for this course. These reviews and ratings obtained from the previous semesters feedback from the students, and the similar courses available at these three resources like Udacity, Udemy and Coursera, and these two are the URLs provided for doing the registration for this particular class. So if I go for a master's and for the summer semester for a law, we will get different values like Robin Spellman is the instructor, the course name is Contract Law 2, prerequisite is the SE, it is a 3 hours credit course, and the duration is from 2:30 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. The rating is 4.5, and this is the registration link. So if I select for computer science, we'll get the different course, and if I do for a spring semester, it will be a different course. The instructor is Lee, the course description is advanced software engineering, the credit hours is 3, duration is 2:30 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. the rating is 4.5, and these are the reviews. So if I select fall semester for computer science background, we'll get a different one. It's like the instructor name is Praveen Rao, course description is principles of big data management, the prerequisite is big data, credit hour is 4.0, the duration is 4 to 5:15 p.m. the rating is 3, the instructor is good knowledge about the course. So this is the background of the pure HTML of that particular page. So here are the head section includes all the URLs for Bootstrap, jQuery and any CSS files or any JavaScript files. Here are some small style sheets added, and the body part contains the actual design. So here for a sample our page has uh, three drop downs. So those drop downs are shown here. The first drop down is select the education. The education is by the bachelor's or master's. The second one is select the semester, which is like a spring, fall or summer. The third one is the career options, which is a computer science or law. Similarly, the display values all are stored here. For some of the values, like we shown like instructor, course description, prerequisites, credit hours. So all these informations, instructor, course description, prerequisites, so all these values are built in here. So this is the complete HTML file, and we are calling this index.js file. So the index.js file decides so which user in based on the selections, so which values should be displayed here. So this and the proper validations, all these are defined in this index.js file. So this index.js file is a jQuery file. It contains the jQuery file. So here the education list, it gets the all the information from the first drop down. This is it gets from the second drop down. This gets the values from the third drop down, and here is the table formation which is displayed after click the submit button. And these are the deciding factors for the display. If user is selected bachelor's and spring semester, and the career option is computer science, then it will display only this section of the HTML and stops the all other parts. So similarly, all the filters and conditions are written in this file. So after seeing all these description, rating, reviews, if user wish to register for the course, he can use either this image or this URL. If I click on this URL, it will take you to the registration page. This registration page shows the total available seats for that course and the total seats in that course, and also it asks all the details of the student to get registered. So this is the HTML for this course registration. So the head section contains the references for the Bootstrap, jQuery and any CSS files, and the body section contains actual design part. If you see our design, it has the top two tables. One displays the seats and other displays the student information. So if you see here, this is the total seats and available seats section, and here is the student details: first name, last name, student ID, student email. When he clicks on the button, the register button, so it will done the registration for us. This page contains the validations too. If I miss any one of the input, I entered only first name and I didn't do all the remaining values. When I click on enter, it will show an error message saying that please enter the last name. So if I enter the last name, and if again I try to use it, it will say enter the student ID. So all these validations are done using the JavaScript or jQuery. So when student enters all the values, when the student enters all the values, then only it will done the registration. When he clicks on it, it says the message like successfully registered. So all those validations are done here. If first name value dot length is less than when miss empty, then shows that please enter the first name and return it. If last name is empty, then return. If the ID is empty, return. If email is empty, return. Otherwise the registration is success. After registration, it decreases the available seats count by 1. So this application is responsive to the browser. If all this responsiveness done using the bootstrap values, so using this bootstrap min.js and bootstrap min.css. If you see, if I go to the back, select bachelor's for law, if I maximize the page or minimize the page, it will do the proper it will provide the proper responsiveness to the web pages, similarly to this page as well. Thanks for watching.